I have a friend, yun nga, I had the context is I have a friend and I think na she has a secret and animosity, which is I'm not sure pa naman kasi baka naman OA lang din ako. So, yes. Para bigyan din naman natin siya ng benefit of the doubt, di ba? Para hindi tayo unfair. So, what happened? Kaya ganito yung nasa isip ko is that because of these encounters or because of this occurrence, actually there's a lot of occurrence. So yun nga, one time I kept wearing a baggy pants. That's not actually my style kasi I don't usually wear that. Kaya lang my sister, she has a lot of baggy pants. That's her style kasi. And then one time I went home dito sa bahay namin. After 2 weeks siguro of being at school, hindi ako nauwi. So, nauwi ako dito after 2 weeks. And then, pagbalik ko yun, my style is, like, naka-baggy pants na ako, tapos naka-t-shirt or naka-crop top, ganun. Basta hindi siya, hindi siya sleeveless. And then, a lot of my friends keeps complimenting me, wow, new style, I like your new style, ganun. And she just go there at the back and watch me and like, parang ganun siya guys. Like, ano ko talaga, like, nakikita ko talaga, like, it's not a joke. Like, I'm not even kidding. Ganun talaga yung reaction niya. And then, after few weeks, she parang, like, may binili siyang baggy pants. Kaya lang, binenta niya sa akin kasi hindi daw nagkasya sa kanya. Like, iba yung style na nabili niya. So, okay lang naman sa akin. Like, maybe she just watched. Maybe, nagandahan lang siya sa style ko. That's why she also bought some for herself. And then, ako kasi, may yung style ko talaga is, I really love wearing skirts, skirts, tapos mga cardigans, ganun. Before, she would always borrow from me lang. Like, binaborrow niya yung cardigan ko, binaborrow niya yung mga, yung mga skirts, shorts, and all. So, pinapahiram ko naman, okay naman, wala naman akong problema dyan. And then, eventually, binibili niya na for herself. And what's more creepy is that with the same style, with the same brand, and all. And okay lang sa akin, like, okay, maybe she just really loves the way I style. So, okay lang. And then one time, my sister actually gave me a vitamins ata yun. Maybe pampaputi ata yun. Pero like, mga 10 pieces na lang. Kasi pinatry niya lang sa akin kasi baka daw magustuhan ng katawan ko. So, I started taking that. So, hindi naman talaga siya ganun ka-effective kasi di ba nga 10 pieces, 10 pieces lang. So, hindi siya magiging. Thank you for giving Satoru Bujo. Thank you. So, hindi talaga siya magiging effective. Like, you can't really see that. Pero, na-shock na lang ako kasi binili niya din. And then, along with that, yung face wash ko din, na Garnier, the same color, binili niya. And I don't know, that's when everything started to get crazy na. I mean, hindi pa. I really took that as, a compliment pa lang. Like, maybe she just, maybe nakikita niya siguro na maganda sa akin, kaya niya